How to use MetaMask easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with the MetaMask wallet. So let's get into it. Now, MetaMask is a simple crypto wallet for DeFi, and it is a simple wallet where you can store your cryptocurrency as well as purchase and swap tokens. They allow you to explore more blockchain apps, and you can own your own data with MetaMask. Now, why is MetaMask such a popular name? Well, it's largely based on Ethereum, and Ethereum is one of the leading crypto tokens out there. MetaMask is easy to use, it's very simple, and it is integrated into multiple different crypto exchanges and crypto marketplaces, so it's super easy to purchase anything you want with MetaMask. They also allow you to swap with the best prices as well as their EIP 1559 gas fees, which are pretty low comparatively to other wallets and other extensions, as well as simple cryptocurrency purchasing applications. So to get started with MetaMask, all you have to do is go on to metamask.io and click on download. Once you click on download, you're just going to click on install MetaMask for Chrome, and this will open up the Chrome web store. From here, you can just click on add to Chrome. And once you click on add to Chrome, you're just going to click on add extension. And now the extension, you can see it's being downloaded. And once it has completed the download, it would be added to my Chrome bar over here. So now you can see over here, MetaMask has been added. Now I can click on get started over here. You're going to agree. And now you can choose to get started with a new wallet, or if you previously created a MetaMask account and you have the secret recovery phrase, you can import your wallet. Now we are going to create a new wallet, and the first step is to add a password. So we're going to enter a password. And once you have entered your password, you're going to agree to the terms of use, and then you're going to click on create over here. And once you've clicked on create, you're going to click on next, and then you will get a secret recovery phrase. Now, what is the secret recovery phrase and why is it so important? This is the phrase that is basically going to serve as the passcode to all of your crypto assets that you store in your MetaMask wallet. So this is super important to remember, and I will just show this over here. It really doesn't matter because this is a sample account for me, but you want to make sure you don't ever share this with anyone, or you put this in, but write this down in a safe diary where no one else will read it, or just memorize these words by heart. Now, once you have done that, you're going to click on next over here, and you will have to confirm your secret recovery phrase. So make sure that you wrote it down or you remembered it. Your entire crypto assets would depend on this. So make sure you are not just leaving this out there. Either you can memorize it or write it down anywhere you want, and just make sure that you have completed that. And now you can just verify it, then you will be confirming it, then you're going to click on all done, and now you can see our MetaMask account has been created. Now, if you click on the top right puzzle icon that you see on your Chrome bar, you can pin your MetaMask account over here. And now you can see MetaMask is now pinned on my bar. And now I can click on buy to buy with the MetaMask application. So if you click on buy, they will show you the different options that you can use to buy. You can use Coinbase Pay, Transact, MoonPay, Wire, and this will be a direct deposit into your MetaMask account. Then you can also send your cryptocurrencies just by entering any address, any wallet address, and your cryptocurrency will be sent. And then you can also click on swap over here. And once you click on swap, you can swap any token that you have and swap it to any other token available on the MetaMask exchange. Now, available on MetaMask, I'm sorry about that. And then you also have advanced options where you can choose the slippage tolerance and whether or not you want this to be a smart transaction. So you can stimulate the transaction before submitting it to make sure that you are able to decrease transactional costs and reduce transaction failures. And this actually enables allows you to get lower minting fees with a lot of different minting options as well. Now you can see MetaMask is on the basic Ethereum mainnet, and you can click on add network over here and add a network manually, or you can use PancakeSwap or a swapping tool to swap the network that you are on. You can even go on a Solana or Polygon network using MetaMask as well. You cannot use a Cardano network, but you can go to Polygon or Solana using a custom network change. So you have more than one options to be on multiple different networks, and you can connect multiple different accounts. So you can create multiple different wallets, and you can go on ahead and create a new wallet with your MetaMask account. Now you can see your assets as well as the USD value of them and the overall transactional activity you have. And it's super easy to purchase NFTs on platforms like OpenSea. You just open up MetaMask and you can link MetaMask and create your OpenSea account. You can also transfer your Binance funds. So if you have money in your Binance wallet, you can simply transfer it to your MetaMask wallet by a simple withdrawal and then click on withdraw crypto. And once you click on withdraw crypto, you can just enter the MetaMask wallet address over here and withdraw it to your MetaMask account. Now, other than these basic benefits of using MetaMask, it also allows you ownership of your own crypto tokens, which is probably one of the top features of having your own crypto wallet. It's super essential, and if you're someone that's holding crypto, then using a MetaMask wallet is going to be something that you will have to do, because when you store your money in an exchange like Binance or Coinbase, the exchange actually owns your money for the time being. Until you actually send it over to your crypto wallet, the money is not being held by you. So it's so much more efficient to just use MetaMask. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to get started with MetaMask, and you can not only just buy with a simple transaction, but you have multiple different options to purchase on MetaMask. You can swap tokens. There are multiple different accounts you can create, and you can choose your own network. So MetaMask is a platform that really does it all, and it's a safe and secure extension that you can keep on your account on your Chrome bar, so you can simplify your crypto transactions. Now, so that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.